Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from mobile phone to computer without USB cable. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser on your computer and you have to search for this website. You can type in ShareDrop on your browser, and then after you have found this website, you can open it. And you can click on the plus icon on the top right corner, and here you can share the link to your mobile phone, or you can simply scan this barcode with your mobile phone. And wait, I'm going to scan it with my mobile phone. Right guys, okay, this is the appearance on my phone, and I'm going to use Google Lens to scan the barcode. Okay, and we can click on the link. All right, and make sure both of your mobile phone and your computer connected to the same network, so you will be able to transfer files from your phone to your computer or vice versa. Okay, and here I'm going to start to transfer my file. I'm going to click on my computer's device like this, and we can choose the file we want to send or transfer. For instance, I'm just going to select my document like this. Once you're done, you can click on select, and then on my computer I'm going to receive the file. On your phone you can click on send, and then on your computer you can click on save. Okay, and now the file has been saved to my computer, this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer files from mobile phone to computer without USB cable. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.